You are not broke because of bad luck. You are not broke because the economy is against you. You are not broke because you do not work hard enough. In almost every case, there are 7 specific mistakes, repeated month after month, year after year, that quietly keep otherwise capable people stuck in the exact same financial position for decades. Most people are making at least 3 of them right now without realizing it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which ones apply to you, and exactly what to do instead. Welcome to the Wealth Blueprint. Let us go through all 7, one at a time. Mistake number 1, treating your income as your net worth. When people think about their financial progress, they almost always look at their salary. Did it go up this year? Did I get a raise? But income is not wealth. Income is simply what flows through your hands every month. Wealth is what you keep and what you build with it. A person earning $90,000 a year who saves nothing is financially weaker than a person earning $50,000 who consistently invests 15%. The first number that should matter to you is not your salary. It is your net worth, the total value of everything you own minus everything you owe. Track that number instead, and watch how differently you start making decisions. Mistake number 2. Lifestyle inflation disguised as success. Every time income rises, spending rises to match it almost automatically. A bigger apartment, a newer car, more dining out, more subscriptions. This happens so gradually that most people never notice it happening. They feel like they are doing better, but their bank account tells a different story. The fix is simple, but requires discipline. Every time your income increases, commit at least half of that increase to savings or investment before your lifestyle has a chance to absorb it. The other half is yours to enjoy. This single rule prevents the most common wealth killer in personal finance. Mistake number 3. Carrying high-interest debt while trying to invest. This is one of the most mathematically irrational decisions people make without realizing it. If you are paying 22% interest on a credit card balance and simultaneously trying to invest in the stock market hoping for an average 10% annual return, you are losing the math badly. Paying down high-interest debt is a guaranteed return equal to the interest rate you are avoiding. No investment offers that kind of certainty. Before you invest aggressively, eliminate any debt charging more than 8 or 9% interest. It is the highest return move available to most people, and almost nobody treats it that way. Mistake number 4. No emergency fund before taking financial risks. People who skip the emergency fund and go straight to investing are building a house with no foundation. The first unexpected expense, a car repair, a medical bill, a job loss, forces them to either go into debt or liquidate investments at the worst possible time. An emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses is not exciting. It will not make you rich, but it is what prevents every other financial decision you make from being derailed by life's inevitable surprises. Build this first, always. Mistake number 5. Waiting for the perfect moment to start investing. People wait for the market to drop. Wait until they earn more. Wait until they understand investing better. Wait until next year. Meanwhile, the single most powerful force in building wealth, time, keeps passing without being used. A person who starts investing $100 a month at age 25 will almost always end up with more money at retirement than someone who starts investing $300 a month at age 35. Even though the second person contributed more total money, time in the market beats waiting for the right time to enter it. Almost every single time. The perfect moment to start was years ago. The next best moment is today. Mistake number 6. Confusing, busy with productive in your financial life. Many people feel financially active, checking their accounts daily, moving small amounts between savings goals, reading endless financial news, worrying constantly about money. But none of that activity is actually building wealth. Real financial progress comes from a small number of high-leverage actions repeated consistently. Automated investing, income growth, debt elimination. Everything else is often just financial anxiety disguised as productivity. Identify the 2 or 3 actions that actually move your net worth, and focus your energy there instead of scattered busy work that feels responsible but accomplishes little. Mistake number 7. Never increasing your earning capacity. This is the mistake that limits everything else on this list. You can optimize your spending, eliminate your debt, invest consistently. But there is a ceiling to how much you can improve your financial life through these actions alone if your income never grows. The people who build the most wealth over their lifetimes almost always combine financial discipline with deliberate income growth. developing valuable skills, negotiating compensation, building additional income streams. Your earning capacity is the single largest lever available to most people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s. Most people never pull it. They optimize a small income instead of growing a larger one. Here are all 7 again. Quickly. 1. Tracking income instead of net worth. 2. Letting lifestyle expand with every raise. 3. Investing while carrying high-interest debt. 4. Taking financial risks without an emergency fund. 5. Waiting for the perfect moment to start. 6. Confusing financial busyness with financial progress. 7. Never working to increase how much you earn. None of these mistakes are about intelligence. Smart, capable, hardworking people make every single one of them, because nobody ever taught them otherwise. You now know all 7, which means you can see them clearly in your own financial life starting today. Pick the one that hit you hardest. Not all 7 at once, just one. Fix that one this month, then move to the next. Wealth is not built by perfection. It is built by consistently correcting the mistakes that quietly drain it away. Leave a comment below and tell me which of these 7 mistakes you recognized in your own life. I read every single one. Subscribe to the Wealth Blueprint. Hit the notification bell. The blueprint continues tomorrow.